If I had $1 for every time I filmed this video so far, I'd have enough to afford a big bag of hot Cheetos and cheese from the ice cream man. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video. Welcome to my room, welcome to my channel, and welcome to my floor. I recently broke my tripod, so we're working with what we got because that's what your girl does. I also just got off of work, so my hair is an absolute mess. I apologize. But in honor of us hitting 100 subscribers, which I'm pretty sure I'm at 123 now, I thought I'd give you guys a spilling the tea on myself, 10 things about me that y'all did not know. So number 1, I used to love the holiday Halloween. I used to work at a haunted house, probably my second job, and I worked there for probably 3, 4, or 5 years. Honestly, I cannot remember. But it was literally my life, you guys. I worshipped this holiday. My entire house was decorated in Halloween 24/7. I was in that haunted house probably 24/7, maybe. Okay, a good portion out of the day, like 8 hours out of the day, between 340 to 360 days of the year. And then when I left the haunted house in 2016 and I got out of my abusive relationship, I just never celebrated it again. Number 2, I get this question a lot and it's kind of annoying, so I'm gonna answer it once and once only and then move on. So the question is, what are you? And of course the answer is I'm human. But in the terms of genetics and I guess race, I am Jamaican and Mexican. My father from Jamaica, my mother's mother from Mexico. Number 3, I love to garden. Other than sewing, that is one of my favorite pastimes. I think it connects me with the culture that I don't have a lot of experience with. In Jamaica, my family, they farm. Gardening for me, it's like that one connection to the culture that I didn't grow up around. So I'd like to keep it in my heart as much as possible. 4, I want to be a botanist. I've always wanted to be a botanist since I first went to Jamaica to meet my family in 2012. I want to be able to bring something back to them because they truly do mean a lot to me. They don't have all of the opportunities that I have, and I just want to give back. Number 5, technically this is not a secret. It's not something y'all didn't know because I kind of throw in little jabs everywhere. But I do have depression and anxiety. I was diagnosed back in 2012 and I've had it since I was 8 years old. Number 6, this is also something y'all probably know if you've watched my other videos, but I do have 2 cats. One is an emotional support cat and the other is just my cat. My oldest emotional support cat is 13. She's a gray tuxedo. She is named Smokey. She's the sweetest thing in the world, and that's probably because growing up we had some very brutal cousins. I could flip that cat upside down, pet her on her stomach, like hold her as long as I want. She's literally a baby. She's just like, this is fine, I love all of this. Versus my youngest cat, who I received when she was 4 weeks old. She was an orphan. She fit in the palm of my hand, is now bigger than my oldest cat, and she's only 4 years old. Also, I'm pretty sure I mentioned in my videos before, but she's a complete asshole. I love her, but she's an asshole. Alright, number 7. Sorry for the background noise, my roommate is home. It was taking a while to record, so I had to cut this into pieces. But number 7 is that I love to learn. If I could be a forever student, professional student for the rest of my life, I would. I realize that I have been blessed with many different opportunities that most people don't have. So any which way that I can continue my education, whether it's your doctoral, master's, or even online classes, or just from the people I meet every day and just learning their story, I think is worthwhile. I love knowledge, whether it's academic, streetwise, whatever. I believe that it means everything. Number 8 is I have had in a total of my working life 11 jobs. I have to hold my hand up here to block the glare, but yes, 11 jobs. In the US, you can legally start working at 16. I had 11 jobs since 2016. You can imagine employers' reactions to me of like, so I see you have this very long resume. It doesn't look like you intend to stay in one place. And I'm like, bro, it's just because I've learned all that I can. Number 9, I am 22. Yes, from 16 to 22, I have had a total of 11 jobs. That is so sad. Most people either mistake me for really old because of my personality or really young. Y'all, I'm still in my 20s. Stop calling me old, please. And also, I don't want to be young because I hated high school and you can't do much when you're young. And finally, number 10. It's a very interesting fact. There are certain foods I can't eat just because I don't like the texture, such as watermelon, apples, and mushrooms. I can't eat it. I don't like the texture. It's not my favorite. That's what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, follow all of my socials. They're all at Okayrichay, including TikTok. I'm newer on TikTok, so don't be mean to me. I'm trying my best. I'm not a Gen Z, I'm a millennial. I'm trying. Anyways, thank you guys. Till next time. Peace.